Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Paige Flamm for those of you who don't know me, and today I am sharing with you my summer morning routine. So as far as cleaning is concerned, I guess. So every morning I go ahead and I do all of these things in my house. I do my dishes, clean up toys, make the beds, yada yada yada. You'll see it in this video. If you have been liking the videos on my channel, please subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. That just helps me know that you like the content that I'm making on my YouTube channel and helps this little space on the internet grow. So right here I am just going ahead and starting my dishes, and I will let you guys see the rest. I have been cleaning my garbage disposal recently with these little garbage disposal cleaners. I honestly thought that I'd be able to smell them a lot more than I do. It honestly doesn't seem to make any difference other than the fact that it might be cleaning my garbage disposal. I got them from Grove Collaborative, linked down below in my description bar if you want to give them a try. I would be interested in trying different versions of these in the future and seeing if any of them smell better, but as of right now I don't see any difference than like putting a lemon down your garbage disposal, other than the fact that you can actually smell the lemon. So here I'm going through and I'm just putting everything that doesn't belong in the kitchen in this basket, and then I'll just carry that from room to room with me and put things back where they belong and make it easier instead of doing 1,000 trips back and forth. And then I'm just cleaning down my countertops with my Method All-Purpose Spray, which I also got from Grove Collaborative, and then giving my floors a sweep and calling it good in the kitchen. So baby, we should start living now. Next, in the living room, I am just cleaning up the Peppa Pig toys and Kinsley's pretend makeup. I feel like these things are always all over the floor in our house, so I'm just kind of getting it tidied up to a manageable level, cleaning off our coffee table, and then I will be done with the living room. Next, over in the dining room, I was getting my computer work done here earlier, and then I have my letterboard out from Sunday when I do that for my job, and so I was getting that tidied up, and then I cleaned my table with the Method Wood for Good cleaner. You guys have seen me use this before, also purchased on Grove Collaborative, wiping my table down with the microfiber cloth, and then I am done in the dining room. So I say here we go. You do that something to me, you do that something to my heart. I give up, you must stop. I'm like a spinning top. You do that something to me, you do that something to me. In Kinsley's bedroom, I'm just cleaning up her hair supplies from doing her hair that morning, cleaning up the stuffed animals, and making her bed. In the laundry room, I just put in a load of the colors, and then I had to fold some towels and put those away, and then I was all set with the laundry. You see right through me, I don't wanna hide. No, I don't wanna hide. I won't let go. I can't say no. My heart is yours, so I On Sunday, I cleaned out my garage and basically everything wound up getting dumped from the garage into this closet. So right here, I'm just going through and straightening it all up so it's not a disaster anymore. And then I will be moving on to my bedroom, which is scary. This is honestly probably the worst my bedroom has been in a long time, and it was a little overwhelming for me and I didn't necessarily know where to start. So I started with the laundry basket full of all the miscellaneous junk and just started getting that put away, and then I cleaned up the laundry, made my bed, put the other laundry away in my dresser, and then it was finally good to go.
I might be dreaming, you're stirring things up, my heart is beating. Oh, so I say here we go. You do that something to me, you do that something to my heart. I give up, feel my stop, I'm like a spinning top. You do that something to me, you do that something to my heart. I give up, feel my stop, and I keep spinning. You see right through me, do that to me. So let's do this, baby. You do that something to me, you do that something to my heart. I give up, you won't stop. I'm like a spinning top. Giving it up, giving it up, giving it up, giving it up, giving it up. Oh, I'm like a spinning top. Giving it up, giving it up, giving it up, spinning top. Giving it up, giving it up.
Next, I just had to tidy up my bathroom, and then it was on to Kyle's bedroom where he, Kinsley, and I made his bed and tidied up his room together. When we were done cleaning, Kinsley wanted to climb up on Kyle's bed, and it took her a couple minutes to do this, but she worked so hard at it, and it was so cute to see her finally climb up on it. She's getting so strong. Next, Kyle and I went into the playroom and just tidied up in here, and then we were all done cleaning. If you guys like these videos, please go ahead and give this a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. It means the world to me to have your support over here on my YouTube channel, and I'm constantly trying to, find good music and improve my editing and things like that. So if there's certain videos you guys would love to see, let me know and I would love to make them for you, and I'll see you next time. Bye!